Hey guys, it's me, CGC. Over there is HBK.
Hello.
So today
HBK
will
Do a science
do
experiment.
a fizzing Coke.
Okay.
Okay, so here,
Okay. Stop.
give it a good shake.
Can they see it? Okay. Watch this, guys.
Give it a good shake. Oh! Dude, did you see that? And that's the Docter Pepper hand HBK gets.
But it's still bubbling.
So, oh, okay. I know that was a really short video, and so I know this is kind of a crappy video for me, but all my videos are crappy pretty much, guys. So this is me and HBK signing out. Take a sip of that victory pepper. It tastes as good, doesn't it?